Welcome to 99 Minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we'll learn how to set up the Ways to Redeem section on the loyalty page. Make sure you're logged in and redirected to the dashboard screen. Now, let's take a look at the left side menu bar. Go ahead and click on the widget. You'll see various widgets available. Focus on the loyalty page. Next, click on Customize. You'll find different sections under the loyalty page builder. We need to locate the Ways to Redeem section. On the right side, there's a preview. Click on Ways to Redeem to view its content. Here are the visibility options. You can enable or disable them as needed. Once you adjust visibility settings, you'll see the changes in the preview area. There are two layout options. Layout 1 and Layout 2. This is Layout 1. Now, here's Layout 2. Let's select Layout 2. Notice the slider options available as well. If you enable the slider, it'll be visible here and also on the store. You can also set a title. Don't forget to add a subtitle. For example, the title Ways to Redeem and subtitle easily turn points into rewards with our simple step-by-step process. When logged in, users can view their total points with this description. You can configure multiple steps here. I've set up 4 steps. For instance, if a user redeems 500 points, they'll get a free product coupon. Similarly, for 1,000 points, they'll receive $10. For 1,500 points, a $20 coupon is awarded. This configuration process is quite flexible. Let's open one as an example. Here's the title for 500 points. It includes a description and the points needed to redeem. If a user has 500 points available, they can redeem them for a free product coupon. You can set an image here using the Browse option. There are options to upload an image or select from the listing. I've already uploaded an image here. Upload images as necessary. There's also a Show Out of Stock option to label products that are out of stock. Labeling products as out of stock can be managed here. This is how you configure settings in this section. Simultaneously, remember to configure a workflow in the backend. Once settings are saved, close this window and head to the workflow section under All Workflow. Locate the workflow titled Loyalty Points Claim Trigger. Click on it and proceed to update. I've pre-configured this. The point claim trigger issues a free product coupon when loyalty point claims reach 500. This is the free product coupon setup. Similarly, for loyalty points greater than 500 and equal to 700, a $10 coupon is issued. You can design workflows for 1,000 points as well. For points greater than 700 and equal to 1,000, a $20 coupon is issued. There's also a configuration for 2,000 points, providing a $25 coupon. Save the workflow, close this section, and return to the dashboard. Head back to the widget and focus on the loyalty page, especially the Ways to Redeem section. Check our configured settings and ensure the corresponding workflow is created in the backend. For example, 500-point redemption issues a free product coupon, as set up in the workflow section. Save your progress. Close this tab and visit the store. This is the Shopify store and I'm logged in as John. Here's John's profile showing 151 points. John's profile displays the 151 points, and you can see the Ways to Redeem section. Review the settings and ensure all options are enabled and visible. Click Save and ensure the Rewards section is enabled as well. Save once more. You can view the same settings on the storefront. Confirm that users can see the Ways to Redeem option. Here's the title, already configured. John has 151 points. If a user has 500 points, the Redeem button will appear. For 1,000 points, the $10 coupon and Redeem button will be visible. Users can click to redeem the associated coupons. In summary, This is how you configure the Ways to Redeem section in the 99 Mines loyalty page setting. All settings are manageable under this loyalty page. Thank you for watching.